Yeah, how many cows?
Help.
Help. Oh, you want to help? Can you say help? If you need help, you say help. You say help. Oh, and you say help, help. Who do you want to help?
Cow.
Cow. Oh, how many cow?
1, 2, 3.
Three cows. And what's this? A lion. Okay, lion. This book is about the three oxen and the lion. Yeah. Sea lion. Okay. Sea lion. You want to see lion? Okay. First page first. No. You open first page. Okay. First page. Oh, see? What's this? Lion. It's a male lion because it has a big mane. Can you point it? Where is the mane? Can you? Oh, point. How many ears of the lion? Ear. Can you find an ear? How many ear? Can you count it? 1, 2, 2.
Cow.
Oh, cow.
Moo.
Can you say lion? Yeah, and sound. Yeah.
Cow sleeping.
Oh, cow is sleeping. Oh, which cow sleeping?
This one.
Oh, this one. This one sleeping. Oh, I see.
This one up.
Oh, the other one wake up.
This one angry.
Oh, angry. Who angry? Lion angry? Why? This is angry face. Right.
Right. Wake up.
Oh, who do you want to wake up?
Cow.
Oh, you kiss. What are you doing?
This one wake up. This one angry.
Oh, this one wake up. The lion angry. Okay. Next page. Oh, angry face. Let me see. Can you make a sound of angry? Can? Okay, next page. 10 page, please. Wait.
Help.
Say help when you need help. You say help. Say help, Kin.
On holiday.
What is lion doing? Lion sleeping? Oh, mommy think lion is whisper. Lion whisper with the cow. Yeah. Okay. And where is the other 2 cows? What? Yeah, the other 2, what are they doing? Sleeping?
This one wake up. This one wake up.
The other one is
Wake up.
And the other cow is
Wake up.
Wake up. And next page. Next page. No, not yet finished. Oh, look at this. Oh, what happened with the other cows? Look. Oh, the other 2 cow is sleeping again. Oh, I see.
Wake up.
Which one is wake up?
Wake up.
Huh?
Wake up.
Wake up? Oh, I see. Wake up. How to wake the cow up? How to wake up? Oh, okay. And you say wake up.
Wake up.
Wake up. Sleeping. Okay. And wake up. Say wake up. And wake up. Say wake up. And sleeping. And snoring. And snore. Can you snore? And wake up. What's wrong? Snore. And sleep. And somebody kiss you. And you wake up. That's right. Somebody kissed you. Oh, you want to kiss mom? Okay. Book. The other book. Noong King Cup, you should tidy up this book first. What's that book? Love. Bye bye. You done one. Next book. Pick up. Next book. Next one. Oh, pick one by one. Oops. Uh-oh. What's that book? Nakin, this one better.